and you are watching Artist Number 1, which is Art's Amazing World. So guys, as you know that we make different kinds of amazing videos in this world. So guys, today in this video I am going to show you a very useful, amazing and beautiful craft. And it is very useful to you also, and it's also saving your time. So guys, now let's have a look to it. Guys, you have ever seen a pen stand or pencil stand or mobile stand, but guys, today I have brought a desk organizer for you. A desk organizer contains pen stand, mobile stand, and it also has many surfaces where we can keep many of the things. So guys, now let's have a look to it. See guys, here are so many columns to keep things, and I have also made 2 drawers in it. I will just show it to you. Here you can see, and here is one more. So there are 2 drawers also. So it is fully a compactable device, and we can keep any equipments in it, like pencils or pens or phone also we can keep it in. So this is the desk organizer. Now I will tell you that what are the dimensions of the cardboard pieces using which I have made this desk organizer. Here on the screen you can see that there is the base cardboard given. You have to cut a cardboard piece of 24 cm by 14.5 cm. You can see the base cardboard by the arrow. It's on the screen. So guys, you have to just cut out this base piece, and now I am just showing you all rest other pieces also that you will be needing for completing this. So guys, here you can see that we need 4 more pieces. You can see the first piece, it is written 1 with black color, and that piece of cardboard is of 7 cm by 11 cm, and we need to take 2 such pieces of 7 cm by 11 cm, and the next you can see the second piece of cardboard which is 6 cm by 11 cm. So we also need these both pieces of 6 cm by 11 cm. So we need 2 pieces of each dimensions of cardboard as I have shown it to you. And here you can see the first piece of 7 cm you have to apply at the back side and at the front side, and at the left and the right side you have to apply the second piece of cardboard which is 6 cm by 11 cm. So guys, here you can see that our next cardboard piece is at back side. You can see the arrow is showing to you. You can see on the screen. So it's the back piece. You can see here it is of 16.5 cm by 7 cm. So guys, now the next you have to cut this piece also and then paste it. So guys, here you can see that the next pieces of cardboard is 16.5 cm and 4.5 cm, and you have to just cut 2 pieces of cardboard as shown on the screen. So guys, now we have to cut some more cardboard pieces. You can see on the screen that there are separations made. As you can see that there are 3 columns after the last 2 columns. In the last there are 2 columns for phone as I have shown it to you, and in the starting for putting some small things there are 3 columns as you can see there. So for separating them, now I have shown you the cardboard dimensions. So as can you see, for the back side at the most back piece, you can see here on the screen that there are 2 cardboard pieces of length 3.3 cm, 4 cm by 7 cm. So this you have to cut 2 pieces, and one you have to paste here. Right now you can see on the screen with the arrow, and one you have to just paste in the center, yes, here, so that you will be able to just separate this column. And in the next row you can see there are 3 columns. So for that you need to cut a dimension of 4 cm by 2.8 cm, and such pieces you will be requiring 3 pieces Here I have written 2 because 2 pieces in the center we have to just apply for separating it, but on the top right side, yes, now you can see using the arrow is showing that one more piece is there. So totally 3 piece of this 4 centimeter by 2.8 centimeter you have to cut, and after that you have to paste it. So guys, now you can see that we need 3 more cardboard piece of 8.5 centimeter and 3 centimeter, and we need to just cut it. You can see in the starting the 3 pieces of blue and yellow color, you can see it has been marked by the arrows. So this is the last cardboard piece, that dimension I'm telling you about, and the now left cardboard piece is of that drawer that I have made 2 drawers. So you can make those drawers by yourself by measuring your cardboard as you wish, because I have made them smaller. You can make them bigger also, so according to your wish you can just make it using the cardboard very easily. And you can also make outlines, borders, or decorate it with colorful paper. So now I have told you all about the dimensions of all cardboards, and now I'm just going to show you that how does this my desk organizer looks when we keep things in it and arrange it properly. And I'm just going to show it to you now, right now only. So guys, here you can see that I have kept all the things and it is arranged properly. So guys, this is the desk organizer, and here you can keep the scissor or pencils. Here you can keep phone, and this column you can keep staplers also. In the drawers also you can keep anything, like I have kept here this. You can also keep your specs here. And guys, here in the starting also you can keep the phones, like there you can see there are 3 columns more to keep your mobile phones or something else you can keep. So guys, this is the fully desk organizer that I have shown to you. And guys, this desk organizer also saves your time, as if sometime you lost your pen or pencil while writing something, so you have to take a lot of time to just bring it, or if you lost your specs, then it will be just lost of your time. So if you will arrange all the things properly in this, then all your things will be arranged properly in this only, and it will never lost. And you will remember that yes, I have kept it in the desk organizer, and you can just take it from there. So guys, this is the fully desk organizer, and if you like it, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon for getting all my new updates. Thank you. Bye bye.